just nailed it. It is Sunday, March the 14th, and I'm here to do my birthday manicure. Tomorrow is my birthday. I am ageless. So something under my nail. So I'm going to do a set of coffin nails with this beautiful, beautiful color from Diva the Bottle. The Fallicious line is this beautiful, beautiful purple. I love, love, love this shade. I don't know if you can see, but there are some shimmers here in the in it. Hopefully you'll be able to see them on the nails. So I'm going to dive right in. Please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell, click all, that way you get notified of all future videos, and I wouldn't want you to miss anything because I'm going to be starting my 1150 giveaway here very soon, and I don't want you to miss out. Look at that purple, isn't that beautiful? Oh, I just love this. It's one of my favorites from Diana's. Princess Nails by Johna, that is. If you haven't checked her out, go do so. DivaTheBottle.com. She has a lot of beautiful items. There is a shimmer where you see like blues, pinks, and purples. Love, love, love. I've worn this actually one time. You don't catch me with gel on too often, and this was it. I wore it for quite a while too. I really, really like this color. Love, love, love it. I know I keep saying that, don't I? I do though. I think it's a beautiful color. She did exceptionally well with this one. And we are going to do our thumbnail. So, what is everybody doing this fine March day? It has been beautiful here in Michigan. For my birthday, it's supposed to be like 40 degrees out, which ain't cool. I was really hoping for a 60-degree day. Here is our first coat. We touch up that middle nail because it's looking pretty, pretty thin here down at the tip. Pretty thin. Okay, we're going to pop it in the lamp for our first set of cure. Whoops. Let me get that in. Get the papers off the top of it. And we'll be back. Okay, here we go for a second coat. Always should do 2 coats. Even if you don't want to, you still should. It puts more depth in your polish, especially if you've got like a shimmer, a sparkle, some flakies, anything like that. I don't know if this week if there's going to be an acrylic video with the birthday videos that's going to be going up. I'll be opening my gifts on camera. Viola sent me something, and so did Tammy. I blessed them both. I feel really touched that they thought of me. I haven't opened my stuff yet. I'll be doing that on camera tomorrow, so stay tuned. Stay tuned for the opening of the goodies. So let those sit for just a minute. Let those self-level. I think I might try my next video where I try to zoom in. Brandy says it's becoming very popular. I don't know if you can see the sparkles in here or not. They're in there, trust me, little shimmeriness. So I'm going to pop these in the lamp, give them a good cure. I'm going to pause and dig out some bling. We're back. We are fresh out of the lamp. This is a beautiful, beautiful purple by Princess Nails by Johna, Diva in a bottle. We're going to top coat with her no wipe top coat, and then I'm going to add some bling and a heart. A little, this little heart right here. I don't know if you can all see that. That's what we're going to do. So I'm going to do the ring finger first because that's where the heart's going to go. So wipe one side of your brush off real well. And y'all are probably wondering, why am I doing my birthday nails purple? Anybody who knows me knows it's my favorite color. Oh shoot. Okay, here we go. That's all that's going on this nail. We're popping this one in the lamp and giving it a cure. And then the index finger, we are going to put some bling on it. I don't know what to do. I haven't really thought about what kind of bling I want. I don't know, maybe like a necklace looking type deal. Let's see how this goes. Okay. Let's go the other way. I lost our bling. Whoops. We got a slider. Okay. Let me line my blue. Oops, oops, oops. Hard lining up your bling sometimes. So I'm just going to pop some of these on here. I'll line them up in just a brief moment. Just want to get them on the nail. Uno más. Okay, whoopsie. So I'm going to pop this in the lamp. I'm going to give this one just a flash cure. And then I will top coat the others and put them in. Okay, so I'm giving those a full 60. Whoops. Whoopsie. I wish I had where my camera did the micro shots, because this is such a beautiful, beautiful purple. If you ever get the chance, go on NaileditQueen.com, look up Fallicious for, let me see. 726, I believe, is the number. I'm not 100%. It's kind of rubbed off. But it's a beautiful, beautiful color. Can't go wrong with this one. I just wish I could show it to you. In its raw, beautiful, natural state. It is beautiful though. Diana knows I love this color. If I'm going to put a gel on, it's going to be this one. Okay, let me put these on here. Whoops. So I'm going to pop those in the for a quick 60 and I'll be right back. Alright, we are back. We are fresh out of the lamp and my birthday manicure is finito. I think this turned out just beautiful. My heart and my bling. And this gorgeous, gorgeous purple shimmery. God, I wish you could see the blues and the reds in it. It's just really, really pretty. Maybe one day I'll get another camera or a camera that could take those micro, macro, whatever they're called, shots so that you can see the deliciousness. Well, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my birthday manicure. Would you wear this? If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Click the bell and don't forget to click all. That way you get notified of all future videos. Well, see you next time. Have yourself a blessed day and thank you.